My name is Omar Vergara. I was born in Mexico City. I founded a center of cognitive behavioral therapy in Mexico City, which is growing fast and which is very successful. I have 2 cats that were bothering me all the time. Once, one of them ate all my essay. I haven't recovered yet. I didn't have the opportunity to study psychology when I was younger. In Mexico, there is not much flexibility when you major in something and then you want to change careers. And I just Googled up master's degree in psychology, and then all of a sudden UOL appeared, and I was so excited that I quit National Geographic and started studying and devoted my life to clinical psychology. Most of our great teachers were based at the University of Liverpool. I had a great experience. I didn't have much trouble combining work and my studies. I would say do it immediately. It's worth it. I feel like I have much more theoretical experience now. It has given me a lot of background to do my job now. I was actually crying when I got to Liverpool. It was very, very exciting, especially after such a hectic trip. It does feel great. I've been getting to know a lot of people and I'm eager to know all my fellow students, so I'm really happy to be here.